I'm Kasey Kraft. I'm a senior biology major and I'm from Orlando, Florida. I'm playing James in the upcoming musical James and the Giant Peach here at Harding. We started rehearsing in November, and in November and December it was really just kind of figuring out what our characters were like and learning all the music. And then after Christmas break we came back and we blocked the whole show and choreographed the whole show. We rehearse like 7 to 11 every night, Sunday through Thursday, and different people have to come at different times, so it's not always everyone, but since I'm in most of the scenes, it's almost always I'm here from 7 to 11 every night. Really have to just make sure that I get all my schoolwork done in the morning. I wake up at like 5 every morning and do my schoolwork more between like 5 and 9 rather than at nighttime so that I could actually not fail my classes. I think the most rewarding part about any show that you do is finally being able to show it to an audience, even if it's one time or if it's 6 times. Being able to show your hard work to people and tell them a story is really the best part of all of it. Even though I'm not a theater major, I am actually a theater minor. I have a lot of different interests and passions, and I didn't know which one to choose, so I kind of just chose both. What I would say to people is, don't be afraid to do more than one thing. You don't have to stick yourself in one box and only do one thing. You have tons of different opportunities you can take a hold of.